Jai Hind to all of you. Wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. It is a very special day for all the citizens of India because the day of we get freedom. We get freedom from foreign rulers. And in this day, not only in this day, we always be thankful. We always remember all those freedom fighters who fought, who done many efforts, many sacrifice, many struggle for this day. So be thankful. So we are celebrating our 80 Independence Day. So in this Independence Day, give one commitment, give one promise to yourself that I will improve, I will do hard work for be independent in our life. So here independence meaning is different for me. It's my own opinions that independent in your life. For example, independent in your life to express your thought, express your feeling, whatever you want. So express without any hesitation. If you feeling hesitation, it means you are not independent in your life. That is why I said be independent in your life. You know what, when I started my journey, that time I was also feeling hesitation, but try a lot. I am removing and finally I removed my hesitation. I know that while speaking I made many mistakes. I forget the word, and while speaking I got nervous, but still I am on my way because I know that my but wherever I want to reach, I can't reach in one day, because we can connect this thing with our freedom. Because you know what, freedom we did not get in one day. It is a result of courage. It is their struggle, their sacrifice, we get freedom. They take patience, they take lots of time for reaching in this moment. So we can also apply this thing on our journey, that we cannot become whatever we want to be. So we can't become in one day. We have to take also patience. We have to do also sacrifice. We have to also do lots of struggle for reaching where we want to be. But thing is that without stopping, be continue and be too much passionate about your dream, whatever you want to be. So in this independence, give one promise to yourself that I will do hard, I will do each and everything what is needed for where I want to be. So in this Independence Day, do it is your challenge. So here one more thing which is very important: give respect to your nation, give respect to your freedom fighter, and be thankful for all those persons who are really done effort, sacrifice and lots of effort for today's. So be thankful and give respect to our nation, because our nation is ours. Whatever we are, only of our nation. I proud to be Indian, and I proud on my English speaking journey. So that's all about this video. So keep practice, keep improving, keep growing. Thank you.